It is a project of the Aboitiz Foundation, Union Bank, and Meet You Group. And we're here to complement government's effort on disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation. No? So we use the pillars of technology, partnerships, and engagement to pursue our advocacy of a weather-wiser nation. So we have 752 weather stations all across the Philippines today. We are still going for our goal of 1,000. All of these have been provided to the LGUs for free. So none of our local government units and the public has paid for this. No? The sustainability model is that the private sector provides the funds in order to sustain this initiative. No? And our data processing is through one of Europe's best weather company, Meet Your Group. No? So without further ado, we have a mobile app called Weather Philippines, which you can download on both Google and Apple. Please download it. Help spread the advocacy for a weather-wiser nation. And thank you for Rappler's Social Good Summit, which brings together the innovators and the collaborators. Thank you.